When do we use the first conditional? We use it to talk about 2 warnings or threats. 1. If you touch that wire, you will get shocked. 2. If you don't study, you will fail the exam. 3. If you run on the wet floor, you will slip. 4. If you don't wear a helmet, you will get hurt. 5. If you lie again, I will tell your parents. 6. If you break that, you will pay for it. 7. If you don't stop yelling, you will leave the class. 8. If you skip homework, you will lose marks. 9. If you steal, they will call the police. 10. If you don't apologize, you will lose your friends. 11. If you keep talking, you will get detention. 12. If you eat too much candy, you will feel sick. 13. If you don't sleep, you will get sick. 14. If you stay out late, you will be grounded. 15. If you cheat, the teacher will catch you. 16. If you don't slow down, you will crash. 17. If you go near the fire, you will burn yourself. 18. If you don't follow the rules, you will be punished. 19. If you hit your brother, I will punish you. 20. If you don't be quiet, I will stop the lesson. 21. If you forget your ID, you won't enter the exam. 22. If you don't back up your files, you will lose everything. 23. If you don't leave, I will call security. 24. If you don't clean your room, you won't go out. 25. If you don't come on time, you will miss the show. 26. If you don't fix that, it will get worse. 27. If you don't lock the door, someone will break in. 28. If you lie to me again, I won't trust you. 29. If you don't wear a seatbelt, you will get fined. 30. If you don't return the book, you will be charged. 31. If you miss the bus, you will walk. 32. If you don't stop, I will tell the teacher. 33. If you don't listen, you will get into trouble. 34. If you don't revise, you will fail the course. 35. If you stay up late, you will feel tired tomorrow. 36. If you touch my phone, I will block you. 37. If you don't behave, we won't go out. 38. If you don't pay, your service will stop. 39. If you shout again, I will leave the room. 40. If you don't wear gloves, your hands will freeze. 41. If you talk during the film, we will leave. 42. If you don't listen, I won't repeat it. 43. If you don't act, things will get worse. 44. If you don't stop teasing him, he will cry. 45. If you post that online, you will get in trouble. 46. If you keep interrupting, I will stop talking. 47. If you don't come home now, you will be locked out. 48. If you send that message, you will regret it. 49. If you don't finish the report, the boss will be angry. 50. If you don't save your work, the file will be lost. 51. If you don't feed the dog, it will get sick. 52. If you touch that, it will fall and break. 53. If you don't bring a coat, you will be cold. 54. If you insult her again, she will cry. 55. If you don't study, you won't pass the final exam. 56. If you argue, I will leave. 57. If you throw that again, I will take it away. 58. If you don't come now, we will leave without you. 59. If you laugh at him again, he will be hurt. 60. If you don't submit it, you will get a 0. 61. If you don't delete that photo, I will report you. 62. If you break the chair, you will pay for it. 63. If you keep playing rough, someone will get hurt. 64. If you talk back to me, I will punish you. 65. If you don't stay quiet, you will disturb others. 66. If you lie, no one will believe you again. 67. If you don't check your answers, you will lose points. 68. If you don't apologize, things will get worse. 69. If you touch my bag again, I will tell the teacher. 70. If you don't clean the kitchen, you won't get dessert. 71. If you copy my work, you will be caught. 72. If you don't help, I won't do it alone. 73. If you keep lying, no one will trust you. 74. If you don't follow the safety rules, you will be fined. 75. If you come late again, I won't wait for you. 76. If you drop that glass, it will break. 77. If you push him, he will push back. 78. If you don't move, someone will bump into you. 79. If you cheat, you will be disqualified. 80. If you don't close the gate, the dog will escape. 81. If you yell, I will end the call. 82. If you don't keep quiet, I will take you out. 83. If you complain, I won't help you anymore. 84. If you bully anyone, you will be suspended. 85. If you don't reply, I won't come. 86. If you spill that drink, you will clean it up. 87. If you don't log out, someone will access your account. 88. If you lie, you will face the consequences. 89. If you don't answer, I will assume you're guilty. 90. If you interrupt, the teacher will stop the lesson. 91. If you don't behave, we won't go to the park. 92. If you touch that again, you will get hurt. 93. If you mess with him, he will fight back. 94. If you don't finish in time, you will fail. 95. If you don't pack, you will forget something. 96. If you tease her, she will cry. 97. If you kick the ball inside, you will break something. 98. If you don't explain, I will assume the worst. 99. If you don't stop, I will call your parents. 100%. If you break that rule again, you will be expelled.